Hi! In this video, I'll be showing you how to log in to Netflix account. So just head over to netflix.com right there. So this slash right here actually depends on your country. If you're on the US, it will actually appear US. But since I'm on the Philippines, it will appear like that. So once you're on the netflix.com, you can see this page right here. So if you don't have an account yet, you can head over and then sign up. But if you already have one, click on the sign in option right here. And then you can see this sign in option. Just enter in here your email or mobile number and then enter as well your password and then sign in. Alternatively, you can also sign in using a sign in code. So click on this right here and then just enter your email or mobile number and it will send in here for you an OTP. If you forgot your email or phone number, you can head over and then just click on this forgot right there. Once you have done that, it will ask you how do you want to reset it. It can be email or text message. So just enter email or phone number in order to click on this right here and then retrieve your password from there. So that's how you log into Netflix account. I hope this video helped you out.